Hi grade ones. Did you watch the video when I showed you how to make a house of 5? A house of 5 can also be called bonds of 5. Those are all the numbers that you can add together to make 5 all together. Today we're going to make a house of 6 or bonds of 6. I'm going to start by drawing a roof for my house. So I will make a triangle near the top of my page. And I'm going to leave space on this side to write some sums. Underneath the triangle, I'm going to draw a nice long rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, but we're going to join it up with the roof. Then I'm going to draw a line down the middle to divide it in half, and then some lines across to make different levels of my house. Right. In the roof, I'm going to write the number 6 and the word 6. I'm going to put some numbers on this side of my house. Let's put 5 over here, and 4, and 2, 3, 1, and 6. Okay, now I need to find the partners or neighbors for each of these numbers to make 6. So I'll write here 5 plus how much equals 6. I've got some counters here to help. Let's check how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counters all together. If I have 5 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. How many will be on this side? 1. So the missing number is 1. Actually, I'm going to use a different color to fill in the missing numbers. If I have 4 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many will be here? 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 on this side, and if I put them all together, there is 6. So 4 plus how much equals 6? The missing number is 2. Now I've got 2 already. 2 plus how much will make 6? So we'll put 2 here, 1, 2. How many more to make 6? Let's count on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether. On this side there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Can you see that 4 plus 2 equals 6? And 2 plus 4 equals 6. So you can just swap those numbers around, and whichever way they are, they make 6. 3 plus how much? 3 plus what equals 6? Let's put 3 counters here. And how many will be on the other side? 1, 2, 3. The missing number is 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6 when we put them all together. 1 plus how much equals 6? Let's write it here. 1 plus how much equals 6? Now, if you look carefully, we should already know, but let's just check. If I put 1 here, how many will be on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then if you have all 6 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many over here? 0. So we can write 6 plus how much equals 6? The answer is 0. When you've finished drawing your house and writing in all the numbers that make 6, then you can decorate. You can draw some grass. You can draw some flowers. Okay, I'm just doing a few things quickly to show you. But you can do a beautiful picture, maybe some birds in the sky. Maybe the house has got a chimney and it's cold, so maybe the chimney's got some smoke coming out of it. Okay, you can cover your whole picture beautifully to finish your house of 6.